In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ChatGPT account step by step. If you no longer need your account and want to remove it completely, this guide will walk you through the exact settings so you can do it quickly and correctly. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel. All right, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the lower left corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where your account and app settings are located. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage your account preferences and account level options. Next, inside the Settings area, click on Account. This section contains the tools related to your ChatGPT account itself, including account details and deletion options. Now look for the Delete Account option and click it. ChatGPT will guide you through the account deletion process and may ask you to confirm your choice. Make sure you read any warnings carefully because deleting your account is usually permanent and may remove your chats, settings, and associated data. If you're absolutely sure you want to continue, confirm the deletion when prompted. Take a moment to double-check that you're deleting the correct account, especially if you use multiple sign-ins or different email addresses. It's also a good idea to save anything important before you continue, because once the account is deleted, you may not be able to recover your conversation history or account access. And that's it. You now know how to delete your ChatGPT account using the account settings inside ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.